Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy stock? In this video, we will delve into the details of MicroStrategy. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 29th of July, 2025, Bauer's system has ranked MicroStrategy as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.15. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned in the lower segment of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, which typically presents an attractive buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $379.32 is surpassed, it will first indicate a deceleration in the rate of growth, but it may also serve as an early warning sign of a potential trend reversal. The prevailing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 6.88% over the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 2.72% to 24.65%. In terms of long-term projections, our 12-month analysis points to a forecasted change of around 68.87%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 36.71% and 180.34% in the next year. In monetary terms, this would suggest a future price falling between $539.54 and $1,106.39. Our latest daily update from MicroStrategy features the headline, Evaluation of MicroStrategy Incorporated stock downgraded after the last trading session. The stock price of MicroStrategy Incorporated declined by 2.26% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, dropping from $403.80 to $394.66. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.25%, ranging from a low of $390.41 to a high of $407. Over the past 10 days, the price has decreased in 6 of those days, resulting in a decline of 10.77% during this period. The trading volume increased by 4 million shares on the last day, despite falling prices, which may serve as an early warning sign, suggesting that the risk could slightly increase in the coming days. In total, 11 million shares exchanged hands for approximately $4.16 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $543, while the lowest price was $102.40. Currently, the price is 27.32%, or $148.34, below the 52-week high of $543, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy stock, trading under the symbol MSTR, has recently experienced significant developments. Today, the company announced the completion of a massive $2.521 billion initial public offering for its variable rate Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. This offering, the largest in the United States for the year 2025, reinforces MicroStrategy's position as a key player in the cryptocurrency space. Additionally, the company's upcoming second quarter earnings report is anticipated to show favorable outcomes driven by its growing Bitcoin holdings and increasing software subscription revenues. This anticipation may lend support to MSTR shares as investors weigh the potential for continued growth despite recent premium valuations. However, a legal investigation into MicroStrategy's officers and directors regarding fiduciary duties to shareholders may pose a risk to investor confidence. Concerns like these could lead to volatility surrounding the stock price, particularly if any negative findings arise. Over the past year, MSTR has surged by 131%, significantly outperforming the broader market. The latest fluctuations suggest a complex investment landscape where the bullish sentiment surrounding Bitcoin can spur short-term gains, though long-term investors should proceed with caution given the potential for overvaluation and ongoing legal issues. Overall, while immediate catalysts could bolster MSTR's stock price, underlying challenges may create headwinds in the longer run. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company assigned MSTR a buy rating alongside a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity also assigned MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald gave MSTR a hold rating with a hold action. Additionally, on May 19th, Barclays assigned MSTR a hold rating with a hold action. Earlier, on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, UBS provided MSTR with a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to MicroStrategy stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of MicroStrategy Incorporated presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. During upward corrections, resistance can be expected at levels 412.09 and 402.56. A breakout above either of these thresholds will generate buy signals. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 16th, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 13.43%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume increased despite falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Thus, closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 69 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 60 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss from MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $383.88. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $16.59 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.25%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.51%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroStrategy, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This vital ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may point to insufficient profitability and possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 31st of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -12 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy is at $414.38. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy encounters its first support level at $383.88. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 29th of July, 2025, Brigger Peter L. Jr. executed an insider purchase of 220,000 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. On the same date, Lei Fong conducted an insider purchase of 5,500 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. Also, on the 29th of July, Patent Jared M. conducted an insider purchase of 5,555 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. On that same day, Montgomery Janine executed an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. Lastly, on the same date, Kang Andrew purchased 2,800 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of approximately 19.94. Overall, insiders acquired 378,164 shares and sold 256,234 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is MicroStrategy stock a good buy? The stock of MicroStrategy Incorporated presents several negative signals. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that MicroStrategy will perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a buy recommendation to a strong sell candidate since our previous assessment. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 30th of July, we expect MicroStrategy to open higher by $2.70, beginning trading at $397.36. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.